everybody, this is Katya from Russia again. Today I'm gonna show you the Russian roads and I'll tell you the story about my car. Come on, follow me. Давай, залезай. So, Russian roads are famous for their impassability. Look at this road. It's full of pits and holes. Look. In Russian province, all the roads are quality like this. So my car is pretty old. It's about 16 years old, but it cost about $2,000. The cars are very expensive in Russia. So on this road you have to drive very slowly, or else you're gonna kill the suspension of your car. Look at this. This is not a Camel Trophy. This is Russian roads. So the gas is pretty expensive in Russia. It costs about 70 cents per 1 liter. So to fill my car up with gasoline, I have to pay about $30. But this is enough only for 1 week, and for a month it will cost me $120. So my wage, my salary is about $200 per month, and I have to pay $130 per month just for gasoline. So the maintenance of a car is very expensive in Russia, and driving the roads like this, you will fix your car, repair your car, and it's very expensive too. So look at the prices. This is the prices of the gas in Russia. That's how we live. But I can't live without a car because we have no buses or railway or trains or something like that. So to get to my job, it's about 20 kilometers. I have to drive a car. So subscribe to my channel and you will become a friend of mine. Bye bye.